The easiest-looking way to pay in Fiji can become expensive once card fees, ATM charges, and poor exchange rates are added. This guide explains how to use Fijian dollars, cash, cards, and ATMs safely, whether you are staying at a major resort or traveling to a remote island. Fiji uses the Fijian dollar, written as FJ1000 or FJD. Cards are convenient for larger purchases, while cash remains important for markets, transport, small operators, and remote locations. Carry at least 2 independent ways to pay, and never assume that every business accepts your card. Prices in Fiji are normally displayed in Fijian dollars. Using FJ dollars or FJD avoids confusion with Australian, New Zealand, and US dollars. Learn the current denominations before traveling and use a recent exchange rate for budgeting, while remembering that your final provider rate may be different. Build your payment plan around your actual itinerary. A card that works at a large resort may not be accepted at a village, market, roadside stall, or small boat transfer. Ask each accommodation and activity provider which cards they accept and whether any balance must be paid in cash. Choose where you will obtain your first Fijian dollars. You could carry a small starter amount, exchange foreign notes after arrival, or withdraw FJD from an ATM. Compare the final amount received after every spread, commission, ATM charge, and card issuer fee, not only the advertised exchange rate. The headline exchange rate does not reveal the complete cost. Foreign transaction fees, ATM charges, cash advance interest, exchange spreads, and service commissions can all apply. Compare the same transaction across your realistic options and ask how many Fijian dollars you will actually receive after every charge. A card terminal or ATM may offer to convert the transaction into your home currency. This is called dynamic currency conversion. Pause before accepting it. Check the FJD amount, exchange rate, markup, and fees. Then compare the offer with the conversion normally provided by your own card issuer. ATMs are available in Fiji's major towns and service tourism areas, but availability is not guaranteed on every island. Locate at least 2 realistic options before leaving a major center. Check your withdrawal limit and issuer fees, and never depend on one machine for a last-minute remote island payment. Carrying enough cash is not helpful when every note is too large for the purchase. Build a practical mix of FJ$5, FJ$10, and FJ$20 notes, together with a few coins. Reserve larger notes for established businesses that can comfortably provide change, and keep emergency cash separate. Store your primary and backup payment methods separately. If possible, carry 2 cards linked to different accounts or networks. Save the international contact details for each issuer and know how to freeze a card. Protect your cash, cards, and phone from water as well as theft or loss. Travelers arriving in Fiji with FJ$10,000 or more, or the foreign currency equivalent including negotiable bearer instruments, must declare it. Count everything in your possession or luggage. If your total could approach the threshold, check the current Fiji Revenue and Customs guidance before traveling, rather than guessing at the border. Reconfirm cash-only payments before each remote transfer or activity. Near the end of the trip, keep enough FJD for transport, food, and unexpected delays, but avoid returning home with more than necessary. Coins can be particularly difficult to exchange outside Fiji, so plan your final spending carefully. A holiday payment plan is not the same as choosing a bank account or arranging business transfers. Longer stays may involve eligibility requirements, identification, digital banking, international transfers, exchange controls, and tax considerations. Compare official bank services directly and obtain professional advice when residency, business, or large transfers are involved. Fiji's polymer banknotes and wildlife coins celebrate the country's natural and cultural heritage. The current notes feature species including the kulawai, belly, Fiji petrel, Tagimusia flower, and Nanai cicada. Use the Reserve Bank of Fiji to verify unfamiliar notes, coins, and commemorative designs. Visitors often ask how much cash to bring, whether overseas cards work, and whether foreign currencies are accepted. There is no universal answer. The correct choice depends on your itinerary, confirmed cash-only payments, access to ATMs, card terms, and the amount you can safely secure during the trip. Before traveling, confirm how every accommodation, transfer, and activity must be paid. Check card and ATM fees, plan where you will obtain FJD, carry useful denominations, and separate your backup payment method. Save bank support information and review the currency shown on every payment screen before approving it. Choose one primary card, one separate backup, and the cash access point that fits your actual route. Contact every remote accommodation, transfer, and activity provider whose payment method remains unclear. Once those answers are recorded in your itinerary, your Fiji money plan is ready.